Kasing BJP Meghalaya kala ai da kajingto shu menteri rangba kacela ukonrat ke sangma Bankirpat ika sorkar bakan pet biang iki kendan penrung kerteng hake exam juga Meghalaya Public Service Commission MPSC nakabenta ki kam MPS bat MCS habakren shkilat pathai kubor haka office juga BJP Hashilong nakalyang jung unong aiktien juga parti uba M Kharkrang uloong baka BJP kalkantui menteri rangba kacela baki samla puli ke bedang kakasnam ka bakhat do jong ka degree bakin sha bakin dan benta haki exam ki prepare nama satang daki benai ki la jandam uba M Kharkrang ula penshairu bahaka UPSC ki samla puli kidang puli hakasnam khat do ki la ban apply Henry ki hab ban pen scam mi ka degree shua ka exam kin penjari daki kendon batang ki baladab ka degree ki la ban apply Ula ban rabru da kabaong balada sya iki final year student ban apply kan ailat iki ban yo jingnang jingtem akumno karukom ye khon ye kini ki chat exam ki bapher ka BJP kal khmi lenti ba ka sarkar kan sngap ye kini ki jing terwa hakabapan kala thamai no ye karukom tre jong ka MPSC uba Kharkrang ula ai khubleiru ye ka sarkar jala halor karai ban weng ye ke interview na ka jingpanrung kam grade 4 da kabaong ba kani kalong ka lenti ka basai Bat kalong ru kalenti ban ai jing shania haka jing penrung kam haka jala.
We got petition so Chief Minister badan buram jingi ya sa office mu la receive petition ke jongi berkeni kalong halor ke recruitment namata ke ban tap kam sa ka CMCS MPS borfat ki bun ki ke ni penbut ban ya ka Union Public Service Commission ke company ke exam ke jongi but to some extent balak syllabus ru tendri dan tang bi jing ko ang ne balong ba UPSC ki sha ya ki khna ki la jandep ya graduation ju ki ban apply tamba shwa bi le ka main exams ki de ben yo certificate la da pass kam degree ju ki kadba ke MPSC ju ni de kim sha ya kata te UPSC ka penong exams manus nam kadba ka MPSC da penong exams tang si same sans nam ikuta te hang ni smo ba ka pendu lat ki khna la jan kut ga graduation tang bagi dai ba ki su slam noi te san banai ru banai kim yo ban apply ni ga ni post but ki hap up adu san ru slam hadin ban ki da apply biang ti kani nga sungu ka long sungu ka pen do men sim ki but ni request ga government ban ni khma la ki advertising ki post ban sha ki ki la jan graduate na kani ga la jan long graduate tam ki pat dap te tamba the condition ba shop kin le kamen exams like la ban dependent graduation kani ka panlong ban ai lat khambun chi chui ki khna bi apply ki post but haju ko poru la da kim yo makana ru ta kamut kan ka experience la don ta kamut ki panlong bi exams la yo experience is in many le exams and ka balai ru kan dei ba probably nakini bena shulat ru ngidang la maybe ngidang yo chu dang bun ki khna ba khambit chu ru te kan yarap ya ka jingpurum kam ngin yo khna ba khambit chu ka jingpurum kam Ila sarkar kabla pendu no ke interview nam ta ki grade 4 ngai gala mi ka government notification ba ong ba na du mata num dan chu interview kan ki ba ha tam ma grade 4 hi ni kan ni galong inline ba ka jingle ka central government kabla le ta la bun snam kila pendu ke interview nam ta ki grade 4 tementang ni ba state government jingi kala le ka ki ba ha ping ya ku play state government lo have to be held because the present council will be over, then time will be over by next year.
So what is your response to the government's move to release funds, monthly funds to the outside salary to
salary? See, I think so. Maybe apprehensions are there from district councils and all. And I think so, whatever apprehensions are there, I think so the government will have to come clear on these, where they say that the government will take over the district council and all. So these kind of apprehensions, I think so if the government really wants to help the district council, but whenever these apprehensions are there, then they should come clear on that. So unless these apprehensions are taken up and clarified now, then probably things will work. In fact, now we have almost completed all our booths and mandals, and probably we have about completed mandals. That is an ongoing process with the BJP. It is not that we wait for the next elections to come, then 1 year before elections we start doing our groundwork. Our groundwork starts immediately after one election is completed. We start the groundwork with the next elections. So that's an ongoing process in the region.
But how will you beat this playing religious card? That is a very difficult task.
We'll overcome that one day. We just watch and see.
On call issue, you have submitted the report to the center.
That you will be able to explain better. He's a
He
chairman.
has not shared the findings with the state leaders.
No, that's why, I mean, like, since I'm,
That's a confidential report, so
Yeah.
he'll be in a position to share.
yeah, I'm just a member over there, so probably got nothing to do with that position.
But it is completed and
Please take it up with them.